Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to look at both how to clear your activity history and how to disable it. And there's two different ways to disable it depending on Windows basic settings, etc. But just one of those little privacy, maybe computer tweaks that Windows 10 users are looking for. So let's start with clearing your activity history, which you're going to want to do first. It's real fast and easy. Click on your Start, go to Settings, Privacy. Look over on the left for activity history. This is checked by default, and that is up to you. Now, so that you understand, activity history lets you jump back into what you're doing on your device by storing, as you can see, your activity history, including info about websites you use, apps, services, etc. If you don't use it, uncheck it. That will be the basics on part 2 on how to disable the Windows 10 activity history. Then we just scroll down here. If all you want to do is clear, just go ahead and click Clear. If you click on the Manage My Microsoft Account activity data, I think that takes you to, takes you to the Microsoft page where you're going to have to log in. But for simplicity, simply click Clear. And you'll get the little checkbox, you know you're done. So that's it. Now we've cleared your activity history. Very, very easy to do. So what we're going to do next is we're going to disable the Windows 10 activity history permanently. So as we showed you with the checkbox earlier, you can uncheck Store My Activity History, and it's been proven to not be 100% effective, but with a registry edit we can go one step further. Back up your registry if you're not familiar with it. However, this is a basic, if you haven't edited your registry, it's just about as simple as it gets. So let's do the Windows key plus R, and we're going to type in regedit and copy this code. So go ahead and copy this code here in bold. Look for the video right here where the I is. You can click on that and follow through, and I will load this page for you so you can grab this code, and I will put it in the video description. Windows key plus R and type in REGEDIT. Press enter or click on OK. So we'll clear this out. I think I'm in it already. Press Control V to paste in what I just showed you, and you will be, as you can see, Policy, Microsoft, Windows, System. So we're going to create a new D word. Really easy to do. So what you want to do is you want to highlight Publish User Activities. Some older Windows operating systems might have it there, but you probably do not. So we will right click over here and do a new D word 32-bit value, Control V, or type in Publish User Activities, one word, capital P, capital U, capital A. Press enter. Take a look over here. It should be a 0. That is your value data. You want that as a 0 right there. And all you got to do is reboot, and you will have permanently disabled the Windows 10 activity history. However, let's take a look here. What if you change your mind? Normally you can change this to value data 1, but it's so easy to do. I would right click and click delete, or make sure it's highlighted and press delete. And real quick, as we mentioned before, a lot of times you can file export, because we mentioned backing up, so if you're not familiar, do file export, name it whatever you want, save it, and if you have a problem later, you can always, you got it, import, piece of cake. So there you go. That's how you can really permanently delete your activity history as well as disable your history. That should do it. Bottom right corner, Major Geeks logo. Click on that. Little subscribe button pops up. We always appreciate that. And we appreciate you taking the time to visit Major Geeks and watch our videos. See ya.